Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best weight distribution hitch in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best weight distribution hitch that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the CURT Round Bar Weight Distribution Hitch. A well-known brand in the towing industry, CURT offers several different weight distribution hitches based on your needs. So if this recommendation doesn't meet your specific requirements, make sure to check the company's other offerings. This one in particular is a round bar weight distribution hitch, 17063, designed to offer a smoother ride and improved control by distributing the tongue weight of the trailer and leveling the load. This weight distribution hitch also comes with a trailer sway control bar. An integrated lubrication system contributes to smooth, quiet towing. It features 31-3/16 inch long forged steel spring bars, and it's rated to tow 10,000 to 14,000 pounds gross trailer weight and 1,000 to 1,400 pounds tongue weight. It comes with an adjustable 2-inch shank and a pre-torqued 2-5/16 inch trailer ball. CURT also includes a sway control damper in this kit. All of this features a durable carbide black powder-coated finish for durability and corrosion resistance. Moving on at number 4, we have the Husky Centerline TS with spring bars. This trunnion weight distribution hitch kit from Husky has a very high tongue weight rating of 1,200 pounds and a GTWR of 12,000 pounds. The manufacturer claims their design is quieter than many other similar kits on sale today, so you won't be bothered by squeaking as you drive along. It also comes with a 2-5/16 inch trailer ball hitch, forged shank, and all other hardware you'll need to install it. This product is also well priced for its heavy-duty weight ratings and comes with easy-to-follow instructions for installation. One common downside that users of this product report is the weight, although it's not much heavier than comparable hitches. However, it is awkward to install and to move around when it's not attached to your vehicle. A forged 1035 steel top plate and hardened 1045 steel trunnions resist fatigue over years of use. At number 3, we have the Fastway Equal-i-zer 4.10,000 pound sway control hitch. The Equal-i-zer 4-point sway control hitch is a trunnion bar type weight distribution hitch available in a wide variety of tongue weight and gross trailer weight ratings. It is also available in different sizes, making it an appropriate choice no matter the height of your hitch receiver. The Equal-i-zer hitch will work with almost all bumper pull trailers and trailers with hydraulic surge brakes. The product comes complete with a hitch ball, so you don't have to purchase your own separately if you don't already have the appropriate type. Users report this weight distributing hitch is easy to install, works very well to mitigate sway, and is ideal for those who are towing very long trailers. It will take some more adjustment the first time you install it, or when changing trailers, and may be louder than chain-style Equal-i-zer hitches, too. The only downside here is the price. It's a bit more expensive than a comparable round ball type weight distributing hitch, and more than an Andersen style one, as well. Fastway has been making automotive accessories in the USA for over 75 years and offers a limited lifetime warranty. This expensive weight distributing hitch justifies its price tag with great on-road performance. At number 2, we have the B&W Trailer Hitches Continuum. The B&W Continuum weight distribution hitch functions differently from anything else on this list. The Continuum doesn't have heavy and noisy brackets for you to install, and there are no bars to pry on. Instead, it uses hydraulics and composite spring bars. B&W's composite bars are far lighter than steel bars, but they're 5 times more flexible and have the strength of steel. Instead of a pry bar, the hydraulic pressure generated by the hitch's small pump raises and lowers the bars. Pump it until you've moved enough weight to the front axle, twist a valve, and dump the bars. Once you have the right pressure, a gauge on the side lets you hit the same number every time. It's quicker to set up, and you don't need to walk around or climb over the hitch to get the right weight distribution. The hydraulic system means you can quickly find the right pressure for different trailers, different tongue weights, and different load positions. And finally, at number 1, we have the Andersen 3344 No-Sway Weight Distribution Hitch. The 3344 No-Sway Weight Distribution Hitch from Andersen Hitches is one of the best weight distribution hitches on sale today. This weight distribution hitch differs from others that are of the round bar and trunnion bar type. It features chains in place of spring bars and a damper built into the hitch head, which can help remedy trailer sway and also any trailer bouncing you may experience. You can also easily tighten or loosen the chains and damper with a nut. Andersen Hitch's design is lightweight, coming in at under 60 pounds, is easy to install, and promises to provide a smooth and extremely quiet ride as you tow. This is the 4-inch drop, 2-5/16" ball model. It's also available with an 8-inch drop in both 2 and 2-5/16" balls. The larger ball size gives you a 10,000-pound gross trailer weight and 1,400-pound tongue weight. Made in the USA, this recommendation comes with a limited lifetime warranty. It's important to get the installation right the first time, but after that, it's an easy design to adjust as your trailer weight changes. While a bit pricier than other weight distribution hitches, this hitch has a unique design that makes it one of the best weight distribution hitches on sale today.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.